Hello guys, now in this section of the course you will learn how to install your indicators and your templates into MetaTrader 4. First of all, you will need to download your templates and your indicators. Second, if you could please open up your MetaTrader 4 on your PC or Mac. Over here in your top left corner you will see File, Open Data folder. Now, that will then bring you into this window. You want to put all your indicators into MQL4 and indicators. Make a file called Royal Exchange. So you go right click, new, folder, and then call it Royal Exchange. Okay. Once you have done that, drop your 3 indicators into here. Into scripts, you will drop your risk calculator. Now, as for your templates, you will go into templates and you place your 2 templates into this folder here. So your MT4 Royal Exchange FX template and your price action template. Close both windows and also MetaTrader 4. Open up MetaTrader 4 again. Right click your chart anywhere on the screen. Go into templates and you can click that template. Okay. Over down here you will have your spread for that particular pair at that time. Your next bar open. So 41 minutes till the next 1 hour candle is about to open. If you are in a trade, so for example over here we know what a pip is. Over here it's $10, $1.01. Okay, so if we want to enter this market with 1 cent, we just put 1 in there and then we click buy or sell. Okay, so say if we wanted to buy this market, we click buy. Okay, we click that area where we bought, we drag it. Okay, so because we're buying this market, we drag it to a certain point where we feel confident or where we want to place our targets. Okay, for example here. Alright, and then we know that our stop loss has to be, so you click that same area and then you drag your stop loss down. So when you're buying, you click that place where you have entered, you drag it up for target, and then you click that area again and you drag it down for stop loss, and then vice versa for selling. Okay, and then when you want to close your trade, you can click that area there and then you can close your trade. Okay, and down here you will have your profit and your current balance. Alright guys, now as for indicators, if they are not on the screen, you can go into this window here, which you can find up here. Okay, in Navigator, go into indicators and then find Royal Exchange and then simply just drag and drop that indicator. Now with this one, you will need to change that to a 1, black, and black, but you can choose whatever colors you want. It's all up to you. And then OK. Alright, and then so if you're shorting the market, so for example, if you're shorting the market, it'll tell you that you have 1 position. If you're going long, then you'll have one position, which means you have entered the market only once or twice, and then you have your pip count, how many pips you are in profit or in negatives. Okay, and then you got your bar, open and close time, your spread, your daily highs and lows, so that's your previous day candle, high and low, so you know where you are, okay, in the previous day. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.